Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all had a great Thanksgiving. I know I did. I'll just get straight to today's video. It's going to be about baking your face. Baking is a technique where you place powder on your concealer and you let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes and the heat like bakes your face, and then after 5 to 10 minutes you wipe away the powder and it gives you this airbrush flawless creaseless finish. And it's really easy to do, and today I'm going to show you how to do it. So first we're going to start with foundation. I'm going to be using the Hello Flawless by Benefit in shade Cheers to Me Champagne. And I'm just going to put some on my hand. And grab a damp beauty blender and just go in with that. Now I'm going to take my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and I'm just going to go in with that. Put that under my eye and on my nose and forehead. And I'm also going to take the same beauty blender and blend that out. Now for the bake, I'm going to be taking the Huda Beauty Easy Bake Loose Baking and Setting Powder in shade Pound Cake. And I'm just gonna take off the cap, and this product is really weird. Like, I love this powder, but there's like a spongy kind of material and you gotta press that down to get powder out. So it's kind of hard, especially when you have long nails. So just gotta press that down and then pour it into the cap. And then I'm going to take the damp beauty blender and rub that in there and just pat the powder on my face. So now that we have that, I'm gonna wait about 5 minutes and then I'll be back to dust it off. Okay, so it's been about 5 minutes. So what I'm gonna do now is take this powder brush from my makeup brush set and just dust off the powder. And that leaves this flawless finish right under my eyes. And then after that, you continue your makeup routine like normal. Like what I would do after this is contour, highlight, eyeshadow, eyeliner, mascara, all that good stuff. Also, when I was halfway through filming this, I realized I forgot to do primer in this video. So I'm sorry about that. Usually I always use primer and I use the Benefit Professional face primer. So I know I didn't use it in this video, but that is something that's really crucial to my makeup routine. So I'm sorry that I forgot that, but that's not the point of this video. Anyway, the point of this video was baking, which is really easy. It's literally as simple as 1, 2, 3. So I hope you learned a lot from this video, and just let me know in the comments what you think. Give me suggestions, tips, anything you think I need to work on, just let me know, and I'll see you next time. Bye babes.